Are you guys thinking that it's a typical video where I'm gonna tell you guys to increase your Shopify store speed, to fix the mobile layout of your store, or to add good quality pictures to increase your Shopify store sales? No, you're wrong. I'm not gonna tell you these typical tips and tricks. I'm gonna tell you a secret through which you can guaranteed increase your Shopify store sales. And how am I too confident? This is because we have tested that on our multiple stores. And I'm going to tell you an app through which you can do that really easily. So, what's this kind of app do? It's going to create quizzes about your product. So, I was reading a book by the name of Sell More with Science, and the author of this book is a top sales trainer of US by the name of David Hoffeld. So in his book, he mentioned that in order to get more sales or get the better conversion rate by closing more sales, the best way is to ask positive questions and make the buyer intention towards your product by asking positive questions. And how you can do that? So by this app, you will be able to create a quiz and you can ask your users questions about your product and navigate them and help them make the buying decision. Okay, so the app I'm talking about is Shop Quiz Product Recommender. That's the app which we'll be using. What this app gonna do? This app will create a quiz about your products. You can basically add custom questions, custom drop downs, and a lot of features which I'm gonna tell you guys shortly, through which you can create an effective quiz which will help your buyers make the buying decision quickly. So that's my development store. I'm selling t-shirts to my clients, right? And I have created a quiz for my customers. So basically, I'm asking my customers to answer the questions. And at the final stage of that quiz, they'll see a product recommendation. And let me show you how that works. So basically, that's the quiz which they'll be seeing. We can add that on pop-up, like we can enable that automatically within few seconds, or we can add that on exit intent. We can also create a chat like button, and when they click on that button, they'll see a pop-up like this. And it's basically to get your customer's opinion that what are the most suitable products for them. And once they answer your questions, you will basically recommend those products. Okay, so as I'm on a clothing store, which I have created as a development store, I'm going to ask my customers the questions about the t-shirt preference which they have, right? So first is want our advice to choose the t-shirt that suits you best. So that's the first question which I'm asking. And as a user, I'm going to press yes, please. And now it's asking some more questions. What is your preferred style? I'm gonna select the style which I like. I mean, it's trendy, which I like the most. And then it's asking, what are your favorite colors to wear? Okay, my favorite color is blue among these colors. So I'm gonna decide on that. What occasions do you intend to wear these t-shirt for? Now I'm going to select casual. And now once the quiz is completed, you can see that system automatically recommended me some of the t-shirts, and I can basically customize what product recommendations I'm going to give to my customers when they choose specific answers. So that's what we're going to learn in this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can install that app, how you can create quizzes, and how you can implement that on your theme. If you want to learn that trick of how you can increase your sales, don't forget to subscribe the channel, comment on the video below, and watch this complete video where I'm going to tell you how you can install that app and implement this on your store. So guys, that's the app which we will be using, Shop Quiz Product Recommender. As you can see, we have a lot of good star ratings on this app. And the good thing about this app is that you can use it for free, up to 100 quiz responses per month. So if you are a small Shopify store, you can use it for free. You don't have to pay anything. And once you reach up to 100 quizzes plus per month, you can go to a paid plan, which is $39 per month. And you can get an additional 25% discount if you use the promo code WebSensePro. You will also find the link in this YouTube video description. If you sign up through that link, you will get an additional 25% discount just because you guys are my viewers. and any of the paid plan you use, $39 per month or the $99 per month plan, you can get additional 25%. So make sure to use the promo code if you want that additional discount. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we'll install that app and create a quiz so you guys can see how we can create the quiz. So guys, that's the development store where I'll install this app. I have the link of this app on YouTube video description. You can also search it by clicking on apps and then on the search bar, search for shop quiz and hit enter, which will take you to this page. Now I'm going to install this app and click on install button here. So guys, that's the authentication screen where it will ask some permissions from your store. So just click on install app. And once you install the app, that's the screen which you will see where they have already added the template of a sample quiz. They also have more templates. So if you click on new quiz button, you can see they have multiple templates already created for you guys. If you are on a skincare business, you can use this template, and hair care products, if you have, you can use this template. Bicycle, jewelry, if you have a coffee shop, you can use this template. But what I'm gonna do, I'll create a new quiz and I'm going to use ChatGPT to ask the questions from my users to create an effective quiz. Now guys, in order to create some effective questions, what I did is added this prompt. So I told ChatGPT that I have a clothing store where I'm selling t-shirts and I'm creating a quiz which will create intentions for users to buy the recommended t-shirts. In that quiz, what questions should I ask? So that's what I asked from the ChatGPT, and it gave me some interesting questions through which I am going to create a new quiz using this product recommender shop quiz app. And now let's start doing that. Click on start with an empty quiz. And here I'm going to name it my first quiz and click on continue. Now let's click on add new question. And first we will have our welcome message. And in our welcome message, we can simply add, would you like us to help choose a t-shirt for you? So that's the preview of our pop-up, and that's the first statement which it will show once we create that. Let's add a question mark. So we would like our customer to help choosing a t-shirt, right? And instead of next, we can rename this button. So click on this question settings, and from here we have button text which we can replace to yes please. Cool, that's the first question. Now add some more questions. I'm going to add another question. So click on quiz builder again, and here is this plus sign where we will add our second question. And let's go with the multiple choice this time. And for question, we can simply go to ChatGPT where we generated some questions. So for example, I can take this question, what is your preferred style, and then add these for the value of my multiple questions. So I'm just gonna copy this from here, go back to my app, and that's what I'm gonna add. And for choices, I'm simply going to copy and paste from my ChatGPT answer. And it will automatically save as you keep adding the questions, right? Quiz is saved. And now let's add another question. Let's do one more time the multiple choice. You can have multiple types of questions. You can add drop down. You can add short text, multi-line text. You can also add date, file upload. So there are a ton of features in this app which you can use, and all is for free unless you reach 100 plus quizzes per month, which is really cool, right? So, okay, let's add in another question. Click on this plus sign and go for another multiple choice. You can add some other type of questions as well, but I'm going to go with multiple choice as the questions which I have generated in our ChatGPT are good with the multiple choices. Okay, so we can ask for color choices. So let's copy this questions. What are your favorite colors to wear? and I'm going to add this as question here. And sorry, here's the place for the questions, and following I'll add colors: blue, red, white. So that's the color preferences which we will ask from our client. Let's add in another question. Okay, we can also ask, do you prefer a specific neckline? Or there are multiple questions which we can ask. We can also ask, do you have any preferences regarding fabric? So let's copy that question and take this one as our final questions, because there are many other things which I want you guys to show in this app. And do you have any preferences regarding fabric? So that's our third question. First, we have our welcome message. Then this second is the first question. Then the second question, and we have our third question. And the choices should be cotton, polyester. So just I'm copying all of the values from the chat GPT response which I created. Okay, perfect. Okay, our quiz has been created. Now what we're gonna do, we will click on link products. In link products, we will basically link products with answer. So for example, if someone answers they like blue color t-shirt more, we can connect the blue color product, so the product recommendation will then show the blue color product at the end of the quiz. How we can do that? So let's first select the casual product. So these product variants will be upvoted, whoever is selected here. So let's find the product with the casual style. So I know my store have this polo color, which is a casual style product. So I'm going to simply select this. I can also exclude that product. So if someone choose the casual style of the product, this product recommendation app will exclude the specific product which I'll select, and it will not show at the end of the quiz as a product recommendation. For now, I don't need that. I'm just gonna select the upvote products which I need to show when someone select casual, trendy, sporty, or vintage products, right? So let's search for the trendy one, and let's do the t-shirt black. And now let's move on to the next question. And in blue color, if someone select the blue color, I'll simply show the blue t-shirt. And if someone select the red color, I'll select the red color t-shirt. And for white, I'm gonna do the similar thing, which will be white t-shirt here. We can also link the products on our material option. So if we have any products with the cotton material, polyester and blends, we can simply select, but I'm gonna leave them blank for now because I'm gonna move on to the next step. Okay, there are multiple other options. So we have conditional logic as well. If we want to skip any of the questions, if someone select a specific answer, we can do that. So there's a jump logic and skip logic, and we have design option as well. So I have selected this theme here. As you can see, the red color theme which I have selected, and it's going to show on this colors. I can also add the custom colors by clicking on this edit theme here. So I can simply select which color to choose on question, on choices, and on buttons. Cool, right? So there are a lot of settings in this app which we can add. We can capture leads. We can connect our custom CRM. We can also add tracking like Google Analytics and many other options, Facebook Pixel, HubSpot. So there are a lot of options in this app which we are getting for free till 100 questions, and I think it's more than enough. Okay, now let's publish this and then click on publish. And here we have option to show our pop-up as a link pop-up. So we can add a link, an href link. If someone click on that link, it will show up that quiz as a pop-up. We can also add it as a section. We can also trigger it automatically. If someone comes into our website for more and stays for more than 10 seconds, we can then enable this pop-up. We will choose the automatic pop-up option here. And now to enable our quiz in a pop-up format and trigger it automatically, what we're gonna do, we'll go to our development store and then click on online store. And from there, we will click on customize. Make sure to do that on your live theme. So click on customize. And from your customized settings, you will have this app embeds icon showing up on your left. So click on that. And here you'll have to enable this automatic pop-up quiz and add in the quiz ID. And where you can get the quiz ID? So go back to your product recommendation app. And once you click on publish quiz, this button here, you will have this quiz ID showing up. And all you have to do is just copy this quiz ID and paste it to your customized theme settings and replace the quiz ID. You will not see any of the quiz ID here. I'm seeing that because I already created a quiz in order to do some testings. Now I'm just going to copy this quiz ID and paste it here. And we have set the pop-up delay to 20 seconds and trigger this pop-up on exit intent. So if someone lands on the website and try to exit the window, they'll see this pop-up. Let me show you how the pop-up will show up. So I'm going to click on save. And here you can see this pop-up already showing up. So it's basically asking, would you like us to help choose a t-shirt for you? I'm going to say yes, please. And then here are the questions which I have added on my app quiz. I'm going to select the appropriate option which I like, and I'm going to select the red as a color, and then select any of the preferences regarding fabric. And once the quiz is completed, you're seeing that it's recommending me the red color product and the black t-shirt, which is for the casual, as per the quiz which I have created. Cool, right? So that's the app which you can use to increase your Shopify store sales and get the 25% additional discount by watching this video and by using the promo in the YouTube video description. I hope you guys would like this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Until next exciting video, have a great day.